Hello, little learners. Welcome to Lesson 7. In this lesson, we will read simple lines using easy words. Let's read together, learn together, and have lots of fun. Are you ready? Let's begin.
Let's make some fun sentences with the word hen. Here we go. Hen is a pet. Repeat with me. Hen is a pet. One more time. Hen is a pet. Very good. Now next line. Hen lays egg. Yes, do it. Hen lays egg. One more time. Hen lays egg. Very good. Now next line. Hen is red. Repeat after me. Hen is red. Hen is red. Very nice. Next line. Say it with me. Hen pecks the net. One more time. Hen pecks the net. Hen pecks the net. Very nice. Next line is the hen is in the pen. Say it with me. The hen is in the pen. One more time. The hen is in the pen. Very good. Next line is Ben fed the hen. Say it with me. Ben fed the hen. One more time. Ben fed the hen. Nice work. Now we will repeat all the lines. Hen is a pet. Hen is a pet. Hen lays egg. Hen lays egg. Hen is red. Hen is red. Hen pecks the net. Hen pecks the net. The hen is in the pen. The hen is in the pen. Ben fed the hen. Ben fed the hen. Great job! Wow! Now you are a reading star. Now let's see what our little pen is up to today. Ready to smile and read? Last line is the best one, so don't miss it. Let's start. Here we go. Ben has a red pen. Say it with me. Ben has a red pen. One more time. Ben has a red pen. Wow! You are getting better in this. So, next line. The pen is wet. Repeat after me. The pen is wet. One more time. The pen is wet. Very good. Next line. Get the pen, Jen. Get the pen, Jen. One more time. Get the pen, Jen. Wow, great job. Next line. The pen fell in the den. The pen fell in the den. One more time. The pen fell in the den. Great job! You did it! High five!
Now, pause the screen and practice the lines on the screen. In the next lesson, we will do a special worksheet where you will show your progress. See you soon.